How to add Visa gift card on your iPhone to Apple account. So for that you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. So very first step is that you have to open the wallet app on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone app library and search for the wallet app here and just tap on the wallet. And once you are here, you have to tap on the plus icon which is on the top right corner of the screen. So after that, here you can see that you can add card to wallet. To add card, to add card, keys, ticket, you have to just go for the learn more option. So you can just go and edit from here. So from also there is another step. So there is another step that you have to go for your setting. So once you are on your setting, tap on your name here. And here on your name, just go for the payment and shipment. So just go for that. And you have to verify with your Face ID here. And once you are here, you can see that you can use your credit or debit card. Here you can see that you can use the Visa card, MasterCard or American Express. So to add a Visa gift card, here you have to provide a number that is required and you have to provide the expiry date and the CVV, which is known as security code. So after that, you have to tap on the done option, which is on the top right corner of the screen. So this way you can easily add the gift card to your iPhone for the Apple account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.